because you can hear the thrones with games on the other side of that wall. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. This is my bathroom, and today we're going to be doing my eyeshadow with this Beauty.For.Certain palette. She's been sitting on my desk, and I've been wanting to do something with it, and I'm like, but what am I gonna do? Well, I'm here, I'm like getting ready to head out for the day, and I'm like, there she is, let's give her a go. Let me open this. I can nicely open this. I got this in one of my subscription boxes. I hate opening these, they're so hard for my pudgy little fingers. And let me show you how nice and plain and simple, and plain is not a bad thing. Plain, simple. Look at this. That's it. What more? I mean, I know what more we need, but like this is it. We can do stuff with it. So I've done pretty much everything else. No mascara though, and we're gonna cut, or lip, because I'm doing a lip today. We're gonna come in with this today and see what's going on. Brush. Oh, this is the Beauty.For.Certain Playa to Palazzo. And Playa is beach. What's Palazzo? Is it plaza? Spanish is coming along not very fast. Very slow. We're working on it. And I do like how there's matte, 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 one shimmer. I don't know. I'm showing it over here. Matte, 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 one shimmer. Because I'm like, I don't need shimmer in my life. But then every so often I'm like, a little bit, a little bit. So I'm going to start. Let's do papaya. I'm going to do papaya as a transition shade. I'm thinking cocoa, just on the outer corner. Maybe a little bit of espresso on the water. Not the water, well, I mean the waterline, but then like the top just really close to my lash line. Yeah, that makes sense. And then maybe golden. Beach on the inner corner. We'll go through this together. Let me know in the comments if you've used this palette, if you like this palette, if you don't like this palette. It'll be a little too late once I see your comments, but you can still let me know. That way, future me will know what past me went through and what past you went through with this palette. Doesn't really show up too well, at least on my skin. That's okie dokie. Does it need to, like, not really. It's just there to help with the other colors. And I am assuming we're going to be working together well. Crease a little up above the crease, a little down below the crease. It kind of shows up. You gotta look real hard though. It's there though. But okay. Okay. Then a little bit of cocoa, like a little bit. I don't want to tap it. I just want to see how it's gonna do. I'm just like tapping it on and like gently swooshing it in just to get an idea of what we're gonna be working with. Baby, me. Not bad. Other side to even it out just a smidge, because we are gonna come back in, and you can always add more color most of the time if there's pigment, but then taking it away is a difficult task for myself anyway. If you have any good tips on how to take it away easily without a makeup wipe, because then I feel like that's just gonna ruin my whole thing, let me know. I'm actually gonna come in. Do I have? No, we can still, well, let me come with a different brush because I do want to add more, but I'm going to come in with this like angledy brush and kind of do more on the tippity top. Trying to be careful on the tippity top. Ooh, there she is. Hello, ma'am. this looks pretty good after building it up a little bit. And like I said, just a smidge bit at a time. Now I want to come in and do the bottom lash line all the way over. Well, as much as the lash will allow me. This eye's super sensitive. Already she like wants to tear up. That's okay if you're sensitive, that's alright. Everybody does things a little bit different. Here we go. I do think this is okay. Just kind of brown it out. Thank you, Coco. That does look pretty nice. And then I'm just coming in and like tapping it up a little bit further. And in. That looks pretty good. Very simple. I'm loving this. Before I move further over here to beach, I want to come in with espresso real quick. And I have like a flat, I think this is for more like your bottom lash. But I'm going to come in and just kind of line my outer lash line on the top. If that makes sense. Doesn't have to be perfect either, because, well, I don't know who's getting that close to your face. But we're also going to be putting on mascara. And if you want to put it all the way across, you totally can. I accidentally put way too much there, but that's okay. I'm trying to like hug my lash line and it just goes way up. That's alright. Better? Yeah, I think that's okay. Not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. Maybe it's just me? Can I? Yeah, that's not like super duper dark. That's what I would have expected from Coco, but okay. Not bad. That's pretty good. I like it. Simple, chill. And I do, ooh, I do want to come in, let me on the back of my hand. I don't think I have any other Cocoa on here. Come in with a little bit of beach. Just the inner corner. And I just like plop it on there. And then whoosh it back. And then in here, up and back too. And then it'll make its way towards the middle to blend with Cocoa. Sort of, eventually, kind of. So we'll just blob it on there. Smoosh it back. And then up. In. Blend. That's it. She's done. We still need mascara, but like she's done. Look at this. That's pretty good. That is nice for an everyday freaking look. And yes, you can come in with a shimmer. I'm not coming in with a shimmer. Nope. Do I have a little, wipe this off with? I do. Shimmer is a no. Ooh, mascara. Since we're in my bathroom, I'm using the mascara I have in my bathroom, which is the Sephora Size Up Volume Extra Large. Cool. Works for me. I'm like, is that really what it says? Yep. And I just do a little wiggle and up. A little wiggle. Up. A little wiggle. Up. I do push it in there too, so I will get these cute little mascara marks that I end up taking off with my plain mascara. It's not a mascara one. What do you call it? Like a brow brush? Lash brush? Like the little brush. Oh, goodness. The name, she escapes me. If you remember the name, let me know in the comments. What was the name? But you know what I'm talking about, right? I wait until my mascara dries. And I'll come in with it. And this year has been the year of trying to do the mascara on my bottom lashes. Kind of squint my eyes a little bit because they are long too. Just a little bit. So it doesn't like get all over my face. And then, what you call yourself? Like this little spoolie wand? I think that's what it's called. Once the mascara on my eyelid dries, I hope it doesn't dry, but once it dries, I'll come in and just scrape. Ooh, words escape me. Scrape, and it just kind of comes off. And it doesn't do too much damage, if any, to my eyeshadow. If I was going out and I wanted my makeup to look good and not move around, I would have already sprayed my face with like a setting spray after I did my eyeshadow. Because then once all the powders are on, I can do that. And then once that dries, I'll come in with a mascara and a lippy. But that's not what we're doing today. Right now, I'm going to come in with a lippy while this dries. It is the Gel Liner in Desert Taupe from Appeal. I don't think this is for your lips, but this is for my lips. Is close enough. And then I'm coming in with one of my ColourPop goodies. This is from the Legend of Korra collection. It's a Fresh Kiss Lip Cream in the shade Loyal Friend. And it's kind of like a nudie color. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I figured this is going to look real good. I'm going to wipe this off. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Is that okay? Looks a little... Still trying to get like the lining of my lips down. It's a task, but this is it for now until I stop and get myself a little sweet treat. This is it. Beauty.For.Certain did a really good job. I like this. It's very like, I didn't try that hard, but I look really, really good. I really do like this. I think this is pretty good. And I'm pretty sure. Ooh, they tell you how to use this. You shut the front door. So it says here, apply bleach all over the lid to create a smooth base. That's not what I did, is it? Yeah. No, I didn't. I used papaya. So let me read to you what they say. So take bleach all over the lid to create a smooth base, and bleach is this one. I did not. Then blend papaya into the crease for a soft transition. I did do that. And then dab golden into the center of the lid and inner corners. I did not do that. Use cocoa along the outer corner and lower lash line for added depth. I kind of did that. And then use espresso in the outer V and blend for a smoky finish. I did not do that. But that's really cool instructions. Layer and blend shades for versatile day to night looks. Honestly, to move this into a nighttime look, I'd probably add a little bit more espresso like in the V, how they recommended, and then do the golden, that shimmer, on the center. I feel like that's a really, really good night look. This is more just like, I feel glam without trying myself. But anyhow, this is it. This is the look. This is Beauty.For.Certain. We're doing it. I'm doing it. I'm liking this. This is nice. This has been my bathroom. Thank you for hanging out. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.